Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your FC mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, it's going to show for you like this here inverse. Then you go down, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for FC mobile app, or click here on search, then here add FC mobile app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage. So then you come to storage list here, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and storage again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.